When the machine starts, for the machine starts, you should first click the power, the electric power. RSPN, earth line. L1, L2, L3 is fire line. N is lava line. PE is the protected earth line. Right now in our factory is only 4 lines. 4 lines, so we collect to L1, L2, L3 and low. If you have PE line, you can collect PE line. Here is 990 paper cup machine, has paper cup machine. This machine keeps in the factory for a long time. And our power source is like this. It's 4 lines. 3 fire line and 1 is low line. While the machine working, you do not turn off this because there are hot air. There are ceramic hot air. You only can turn off the total power and do not turn off the power source. Because there are hot air, ceramic hot air, and hot air is the blowing. This is the cool down after heat. When you start working, you should first start the total power. Here's the total power for the machine total power. Power on and power off. Total power. Here's start. 2 buttons. Need 2 buttons together to start. Here's jog to check. Inch moving, step moving. And here's stop. Here's reset. Here's paper fade. We start the total power. And here there is a remote controller. We raise the heating. After you collect the power, sometimes the cable, if the cable one may be the turning not in the correct, not in the right location, rotate. After you turn on, here is showing we go to the English page, go to screen. It's showing the emergency stop. So you press down the urgent stop, emergency stop, and turn off. Okay. Every time we'll turn on, urgent stop. This remote controller for this control. How right now they're working. While you collect the power, you should check the machine. You should go to the manual page. To check the. You should go to the manual page. To check the learning. The rotate. Check the machine rotate. The learning is cup blowing, paper fan. Cup blowing, whistling, blowing, side blowing cup, cynical injection, blowing, cup blowing, and low cynical oil, water cynical oil, the left page, ultrasonic, sail motor, ultrasonic, learning motor. We check the learning motor. Check the learning motor voltage. After you collect the power, you turn on the power. You should check the face protection. This one is for the face protection. This one should be green. This one is for the switch, the power switch. You should check the power switch to on. This one should be green. If this is green, then means the electric plate is correct. If here show red, usually it's change. For example, here, this one show red. You show the exchange. Usually the exchange. This is face protection. Usually exchange because this one is red. This one is red. You should make it in green. This is face protection. 然后它那个弄了之后，它的怎么检测？它可以检测吗？它这个手动按钮的时候，它这个是混合电机，它怎么按都不动呢？你看一下那边有动吗？
有啊，
有吗？
这个混合电机。
对。没有。哦，有。是这样转的是吧？
对，手转。
是这样转的是吧？
手转，对。
And also you should check the early motor. While you press the early motor, here voltage. Clockwise. 对 ，clockwise voltage. 然后
这个也是左转。
这个也是正转是吧？
左转对，那个是右转，那是反转。
这个是这样转是吧？对。This one also clockwise. 还有哪一个？
那个
这个也是 clockwise。这边是这样转是吧？
不，要看它的杯子方向。要看它杯子方向。如果说它这个是这样搭接的话，我们就右转；如果说是像你那台这种反过来搭接是左转。
这样转是吧？对。You should check the curling. If like this, then rotate like this. The rotate, the curling this side up. Then rotate like this. If sometimes the plate one, you can change the power, the cable, the motor cable. And then here's motor. Here's motor is pull the paper. This way. You should check that this way. And here is servo motor. And this blower the air. This blower the hot air. Blower provides the hot air. This one is for the cup. To the cup blower. To blow the cup out. It's cutting. You can use 2% to check. Reverse page. In the manual page. Fan sack. Sack the paper. Die blow cap. Paper frame blowing. Sanding oil injection. This is servo motor, bottom feed, oil pump for the oil, ultrasonic to check the ultrasonic working load, and the cool fan to check the fan. Pre-feeding is the paper feeding, the learning motor, conveyor, the cup for the wastage, the waste paper, the waste edge paper. The bottom waste paper conveyor. Cup out blue cup out. Bottom motor. For the bottom paper. Servo motor. This is also for the servo motor. And the wall motor. Okay, we go to the main page. main page, and then go to the boot trace, and go to Chinese, and here is the 参数设定2。调试界面，离子升空 stack paper， 摩托吹飞 blow the air cup， 这是简单推出，是否送底 ，what to face paper， cup learning cup curly。This one is reset. Should be reset. The translate problem should be reset. And the temperature are on. This for temperature heating. Off. And the parameter. Normally when the new version arrived, here is low change. Here is low change. The setting is low change. It's parameter. The parameter normally is low change. Angle setting. The angle also set normal low change. The manual page for testing. Angle set. Cup drop. The next page. Manual page, monitor page. The monitor page for the test to check the sensor and to the GLC working. The next page. Temperature set. This for temperature set and control. Function. Alarm switch on. Fan fade upsonic. Oil pump continuous. Intermediate. Value switch. You can change here or continue. Upsonic heater on. And it's upsonic heat. Tap outflow on. The blower. Early motor on. Follow the machine. Where the machine works, it works. Wall motor also follow the machine working. Cooling fan. Bottom motor and conveyor. While the machine working, it's follow the machine working. Stop setting for the machine stop setting. This is for the alarm. Fan short alarm. The sensor fan short. The sensor fan short. Paper jam alarm. Cap barrel alarm. Cap wheel alarm. Cap reversal alarm. Bottom wall short alarm. Cap drop alarm. Auto fit out paper. This is off. This one for that one. For the cap fan feed. For this sensor. Feed the cap fan. Cap out. For the cap out. Replacement alarm. And the low bottom alarm. And the temperature alarm. And the face screen protection alarm. And the main page. Normally for the machine you just start and stop. And here for start, stop. While the machine arrives, here's the temperature. For the temperature set on, we turn on the temperature. temperature is ready. After temperature is heating on and right now we can prepare some paper. Here is the paper, cup one, and here is the bottom. Here is the bottom. Bottom paper. Bottom paper here, 4 paper. Here's feet, 2. Separate the paper. And here, we're going to print the paper. Here, separate. And print inside. Put inside. Put inside here. It's here. Sensor. Here's for the lift. Lift this one. Here's lift. This is the wallpaper. And you should collect this one for the collector. Collector to this one. Collector to this one. Here is the power on, off, and here is open. Here's open. Here's open. Here's come for the air. You need the compressor and the electric. And then we can feed the paper. And then we can feed some paper. Here's for the paper. We keep paper here. You see there. You need a Here's a sensor for detect the cup fan, the free paper. Here's the sensor. Here's a sensor for cup fan paper, to feed the cup fan paper. Here's to stack. While paper drop down, to stack the paper. Here's the sensor, the cup paper sack. Here's the sack the cup. Sack the cup fan. Sack. And here is for the sensor to check the paper fan coming. Sensor coming. Paper fan coming. Preheating hot here. Bottom preheating. Preheating hot here. Preheating. Here is the blower. Here is the air blower pipe. Here is blower pipe, air pipe, air pipe. Air pipe is there. Air pipe is air blower is here, there. And here is absolute. This one is absolute. Absolute fan cooling and absolute fan. This one will cool the absolute. This one will cool the absolute. This absolute is the help capsule, help cold welding, help cold welding. Here is the fan. Here is the fan for the cap fan, for the cap body. Here is the sensor. Here is the sensor to detect the outside the sealing. There is the sealing. If no sealing, here's stop. Here is the lift to the top mode. Here is the sensor. Here is the tape. There, the film lift here, lift to the mode, and no stop. Use the paper jam and paper lock lift, and then stop. Bottom heating hook here. Bottom heating hook here. Bottom heating. And here is the oil for the tray board, bottom tray board. For the bottom tray board. Bottom tray board learning. Tray board. Here is the bottom learning. Here is the bottom learning. Rotate. Clockwise. Clockwise rotate. Clockwise. Here is also clockwise. Clockwise rotate. Here is below the bottom, use the bottom drop. Here is below the bottom, use the air blower, use the bottom drop. Here is the sensor. If the cap drop, use the bottom. Use the bottom drop. Use the bottom drop here. Press stop. Here is the sensor for discharge. Here is the sensor for discharge. If the cap low discharge, close the then stop. Where is the button? Button is coming from here. Fade wallpaper, and here the fade. Separate, fade. Separate, fade here, and here. Careful adjustment the white, and the feet here, separate, and the feet inside, and here to this side, bottom cut, put over the bottom cutter, put over. Pass over bottom cutter, and here is the sensor to take the bottom. If no bottom, bottom stop. And here is conveyor. Rotate like this. Here's a bottom feed seal motor. Feed the cap, bottom. Now rotate. Feed the cap, feed the bottom. The cap, lift, drop here. Up to the top curling. Here's spray. Standing oil. Standing oil. Standing oil. Standing oil. Here's second. First learning. First learning. First learning. First curling. And that one is the third curling. This voltage. This reference to this one. If the current like this, pop on the like this, the current like this voltage like this one. If the current, you are current another side, this voltage another side. This one is current. This setting oil, into the setting oil. Here is the lubrication oil. This is learning. There is the water for the curling. Of course, this is for inspection, for non-system. Inspection, even the customer wants. There is inspection, this is for inspection. The customer loading. Then to charge part. The top curling. Here's all the step button. And here's floor, below the bottle. Of course, while the machine arrival, you should check inside. The after collect the electric power. You should collect the air compressor. The air compressor is here, this side. The air compressor and the small tank and the filter. And this one is collect the collector. This one for collector. And here is the valve control the control. And here inside is the main machine working. And here is the pump, oil pump motor, oil pump. You should check the oil pump is working or not for the first. And here is the main motor. Here is the main motor for the hand voltage. Well, the machine is ready. Here's below the hotel. For the 1, 2, 3, 4 hotel. Well, the machine is ready and the temperature is ready, and we can try to start the machine. Of course, mainly you need some grease oil, and inside grease oil. And there oil, maybe. You see the oil. And there is the grease oil. And here, maybe grease oil here. And you should oil this part. This one is clean one. This machine is clean. That machine is very good. You should grease oil. The slider axis. Grease oil. You should oil here, the machine arrival, oil the top parts, and here oil. And some top parts in the morning. Here also in the slide bearing. Slide shape. Okay, now we are waiting for the temperature level. And then we calculate the paper and start. And try to start. Here is the stop.